Hi friends, this is Seema here from Paper Passions. Today I'm here to show you a few things that you can do with all dried up and clogged up cones or glitter of glitter. We also call them 3D cones here in India, or you may find you may call it stickers as and what I whenever the nozzle gets clogged up and I'm not able to use them anymore, I tend to make glitter paper out of that. And all I have a clipping here where I am going to show you what I do with it and how I just cut the back off, and uh, the clip will show you what exactly I'm doing here. As you can see, I'm just taking off all the glitter from the back of it, which is semi-dry, which is not flowing properly. So I just take it out and spread it on a piece of cardstock. I'm using red glitter, red cardstock for the red glitter here, and I'm just spreading it all around evenly, just to make sure that I get a even coverage. And once it's dry, it will dry clear. Right now it looks very muddy and dirty, but believe me, it will dry out absolutely clear, and you will only be able to see the shiny glitter and the on the red backing. Here I am showing you a little piece where it's already dry, but it's not dry completely. I have made quite a few sheets like this, and it works out brilliantly. I have ready paper, glitter paper to make die cuts out of and make embellishments out of. Uh, and it is wonderful that I'm able to do this. I'm showing you here all the glitter that I have used up to make paper, and it also provides a lot of strength to the paper. Like here, this paper is very thin, like an A4 printer paper, just in pink color, but it doesn't tear off anymore because the glue provides a lot of body and strength to the paper that you use. I could easily have used a cardstock and made a cardstock like I just showed you in the clipping, and it would work brilliantly. This is another one of the sheets, and it's wonderful that you. And when it's dry to the touch, and you can see here, this doesn't come off like any other glitter. That if I try to put glitter, loose glitter on any project, it will, once it's dry, it can scrape off when you touch it. This one doesn't. It just doesn't happen anything. See, you can see here, nothing is happening. So it will give you a nice little shimmer to your projects, and you will have used up all your stock. That's, I think, wonderful. I just try to. This is another idea. This piece of when I was trying to set up the video for this, and I had this one pack, and I thought I will keep it open. When I cut it from the back, I realized it was totally frozen and it did not have any loose glitter inside or any liquid form or semi-liquid form inside which I could use. And it came all came out in one piece like that. But I think we can still go ahead and cut some leaves and shapes and use that as embellishments on our cards. See, I can just cut out a few leaves and add them as leaves on my card. So this is another way where you can use your stash and not throw it away. I'm sure most crafters always think of ways to use up their stash, and throwing away is I think a issue with most crafters. We spend so much money on our stock and on our raw materials that I'm sure it's always difficult to throw away things just like that. So see, I could get leaves, shapes just out of this. I could glue it down, obviously. See, as you can see, it's got a little bit of a stick, but if I add glue to it, I can use it as an embellishment. It has a little bit of a body and works just fine. I will also like to show you here that you can use this paper to make beautiful die cuts. This is a small flower die cut that I've made. This is another die cut butterfly, two butterflies in different sizes, and I could easily jazz up a simple project like this. I could easily put a butterfly here and done. I am done. I have a great looking shiny embellishment for to make anybody's heart pop, I guess. And it's dimensional, it's shiny, it's that little bit of shimmer that you want to have on your cards, because this is a very simple card. So I hope you enjoyed, and this tip will be helpful for you. If you try it out, please leave me a comment and share pictures with me on Instagram. I will have my Instagram links down below. I will also like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, as this would be your way of telling me that you like my videos and they are helpful to you. I hope you like what you saw today, and I hope to see you soon again. Have a great day. Bye bye.